Welcome to our video on the important topic of beneficial ownership information and the role it plays in IRS regulation. The Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, takes a keen interest in beneficial ownership information. But why is it important for business owners across the USA? Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Now, the IRS requires certain entities to report beneficial ownership information to the government. This information includes the names, addresses, and taxpayer identification numbers of the individuals who ultimately own or control each entity. The entities that are required to report beneficial ownership information to the IRS include corporations, limited liability companies, partnerships, trusts, A&D estates. The IRS uses beneficial ownership information to enforce tax laws and to combat financial crime. For example, the IRS can use this information to identify entities that are involved in tax evasion or money laundering. The agency has a number of different forms that can be used to report beneficial ownership information. The exact form that is used will depend on the type of entity that is reporting the information. Failure to report beneficial ownership information to the IRS can result in severe civil penalties that could result in the dissolution of a business. The amount of each penalty will depend on the severity of the violation. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about beneficial ownership reporting to the IRS. The beneficial ownership information must be reported on an annual basis and must be accurate and complete. Plus, beneficial ownership information needs to be kept confidential. Now, the beneficial ownership reporting requirements are a new and complex set of regulations. That is why entities that are required to report beneficial ownership information should take steps to understand the requirements and to comply with them. If you need more information about IRS regulations regarding beneficial ownership or help filing the right documents with the government, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about IRS policies about beneficial ownership? Is the government doing the right thing by having small businesses file reports? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.